Be Info in Knowledge YouTube channel ang knowledge zoom kado kave phan puthot phapon no pini labangso a video long JEE Main 2021 fourth session a phan amen ka che thaba sai ka pang cheng puthak si pachini pon pol apen ladat koson si registration do nei mala so puthak anton ran pachini pon pol tangte nalitum labangso video ke cheng pen ki jut an lang pon tha lapen nalitum ham chuni rikan ting bangke labangso YouTube channel subscribe pon pelang bro tinang itum subscribe pon tha lapen like share lapen comment pin National Testing Agency atum joint entrance exam thi hek pen JEE Main 2021 harman session di aphan amen kache thap dona sign chakhong ko sirkep arni pen pangcheng sadlang ke tok dunji aning ke hang abang ko bang pi tu official website lake jeemain.nta.nic.in along whom receive online registration dun long po amen kaje thap la pen fees ki pi link jakhong krehini arni andu po JEE Main fourth session pining jakhong po ingkoi ratroxi arni pen pai hini arni an padopon po admit card ke mo official website along long po lani thamang bong jangmi po mate April apen aru mate May achik lo session apan kachuning ri dun atum kachuning ri alo mate application form along larlong po pining COVID-19 akiso pen langpon si rongso pia phai pharo hini ra thongkep pen pharo ke thomra thongkep ra phli an pabat ponno SIF-3 along examination center phaika hum pharo thokra thokep pen pharo nerkep ra inkoi ra nerkep an pabat ponpo JEE Main March application form 2021 aputhak amen kache thap dunji phan aprangsi official website jeemain.nta.nic.in along humri nang po homepage along kilong link along registration link along bear nang po Lu Charlie angdeng mate educational qualification hei hui thap dun nang po lapen JEE Main registration 2021 pachok nang po Arjan mate photograph lapen redak mate signature scan si upload nang po JEE Main 2021 aphan kachuning registration fees mate anam jitu nang po verification angdeng download ra mo phi phan ang thegason print nang po pini labang so video lang medlo